Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the mobilemechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. The point of this video is that I bought a iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I'm going to let you know why I bought this. I had the 14, and I'm going to tell you why I bought it. What this sold me for. Why did I buy it versus I could have kept this. They're almost the same phone, but they have a slightly difference of what I need it for. Of course, you know, I have almost 800 videos on YouTube. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. And I want quality. Quality costs money. With that being said, I was using this, but the battery life was pretty horrible, and I couldn't take it. Also, the video quality was so-so, but I wanted something that's at 4K. With that being said, I'm going to look at my notes, and we're going to go through this together. So with this iPhone, it has a USB-C 3 cord on it, charger port, and this is what it will look like, the charger, and this is the phone port. A lot of the items that I have are Apple. I have a lot of Apple products, and they have that port. This particular port not only can charge the phone, but it also can transfer data. If you're buying a iPhone 15 and it's not the Pro or the Max, you're not going to get the 10 gigabytes per second transfer. It's just not going to happen. And also this port also can transfer and receive data and power. One of the selling things of this was the ProRes resolution on this phone. You cannot even turn that feature on, which is the highest quality video that you can do, resolution video you can do in the 4K, until you have a portable SSD drive. Most of us have it hanging around. All you do is get the cord, the USB-C, I'm sorry, plug it into your hard drive, put it on the magnet. Of course, you don't want one this big. You could use this one big, but they sell ones that are smaller, that are just like this round circle. And what that does is, now it will not bottleneck like it was doing my phone, because I did so many videos, over 800 videos alone, just for YouTube alone. It was just clogging up my cloud, which I paid for the highest, and I still was clouding it up. And this was being crowded up and clogged up because the videos were so big. But once you start kicking yourself up to the ProRes, it's 30% larger files. You want quality, you have to have a bigger files. And the audio is way, 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 way better. With that being said, this cable will transfer 10 gigs per second of information. So if I plugged into my computer, I can transfer my videos a lot faster to whatever device I am to download my videos to. The lightning port, which was on here, it just wasn't going to happen that way. Also, you can do 4K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 24 frames per second, and 1080 60 frames per second. Now you're saying, oh, I could have done some of this on this phone. Well, it wasn't going to turn out just fine, just as great quality as the ProRes. And like I said, if the ProRes doesn't even come on at all unless you have this hooked up to it, all of your files will be here, and you can just plug it into your computer, and then you can start your editing, or whoever's editing for you. Another thing that got me was my battery. By the time 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I had to put it on a charger. I can use this all the way up to 11 o'clock, and I probably have 20-30%. That's playing games, that's being on Facebook, that's being on different apps, making videos, which you know drains the phone very quickly. I'm use this for business. I'm doing invoices. I'm looking up stuff. I'm looking up schematics. I'm charging the customer. I'm doing a lot of multiple stuff, and it's never bottlenecked. The sound quality is phenomenal. The video quality is the same as on both phones, except this one can get brighter. One of the things that was getting me is when I'm outside, I couldn't hardly see the phone as much as I want. This one actually is brighter than this 14 Pro Max. So you're saying, well, why would I want to buy this phone? Well, if you're looking for a phone that is going to last a lot longer, and you do a lot of videos, a lot of blogs. I also do a lot of WhatsApp app to a lot of my customers when I do the one-on-one business consultations, which I do. I do one-on-one business consultations, and I need something that's not going to be dropping. And another thing, this kept dropping the signal from T-Mobile. I do not know why. The signal was halfway horrible, and the internet speeds, no matter what I did, was horrible. This one is so fast. I barely have any drops. I keep majority of my bars. I mean, the lowest I got to like 2 bars, and if I was in the same area, it would have been probably 0 bars. A lot of roaming on this. This one right here is phenomenal. So if you like your battery to last a little longer, the flashlight's a lot brighter too. I hit it on accident. If you want a better resolution to your videos, pro resolution, this is where you need to go. If you're not into a bunch of videos, or you do a little bit here, a little bit there, stick with your Pro Max or your 13 or your 12 or whatever else you have. It also has the artificial intelligence that only the Pro Max is going to be having. It's going to be released actually in October to this phone and this phone only, and 16. So with that being said, that concludes why I went to it, my reviews, and I also dropped this phone, and I don't have any issues, and I also have a nice cover on it. When this video does come out, this phone will be in the description, and also this cover that I use that's magnetized, and also as a kickstand, also guarantees 5 years of not turning yellow, which is what I like. Also has a privacy screen on it. So when let me turn it on. So when I'm actually, as you can see me right there. I'm actually a Freemason, and that was me in one of the lodges. But if I start turning it, it's going to get hard to see. And it also comes with this privacy thing. So that's me, and then there you go. Boom. So if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And also there is a new feature on my channel. It's called Join. With that, you choose whichever one you want. If you chose the Gold package, you'll be able to see these videos 3 to 7 days faster than anybody else. They won't be able to see it. You'll be the first one to see it. And also, I will give you a shout out in your comments, because you'll be priority, and I will give a shout out to you. And whatever comments you make, I'm definitely gonna be make sure I acknowledge whatever you say. Now, you guys are saying, well, this is a automotive channel. Why are you doing video channels? Channels about computers. I do both, and I'm here to help everybody with the knowledge that I have. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on how to repair computers too, because I'm actually a computer guy. Before COVID, I actually had my own shop. I'm back at it now. I'm doing cars, and I'm also doing computers. I also have my heating and air conditioning license, and I do maintenance. I was also in the military, so I also do cameras, hanging up security cameras and networking cameras and all that stuff. So I have many talents that I can do, and I want to share it with you guys. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.